Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's slide to do the back panel vibration comparison test between the OnePlus 8T versus the Realme X1 Max device. Yes, so by using the Rise dancing technique. So whenever I use the Rise on the back side of the panel, so if the phone vibrates a lot, the Rise also will start to move and will dance. Yes friends, I'll try to show you exactly what will happen. So I did do a couple of videos on the Realme X1 Max before, and even with comparing with other smartphones as well. But few of the users actually they are messaging me today that can you please do same kind of testing with the OnePlus phone. So right now I do have the OnePlus, which is a OnePlus 8T with me. I'll be able to test this kind of Rise on this Realme X1 Max and on the OnePlus 8T. I'll try to use with the full volume. So full volume, and then we'll try to see which phone has got what type of vibrations. So one quick note, the Realme X1 Max back panel is completely like made of the plastic. That is what the other users, they did mention that maybe that might be the reason why the lot of vibrations you are seeing on the Realme X1 Max device in this area. Yes, in this area the Realme X1 Max has got the vibrations. Now let me try to show you the practical difference comparing both phones, which phone has got what type of vibrations. So first I'll try to start in both phones playing the same audio file. As you can see, same audio file I'm trying to play right now. Let me try to slightly increase the volume in both phones, and I'll try to close the lock screen, and I'll start to increase the volume little by little, and I'll try to keep to 100%. Let me try to do it in front of the camera only friends, so you know exactly. As you can see friends, clearly in terms of the vibrations, both phones, they do have the vibrations on the back panel exactly in this kind of location, as you can see. So the more vibrations can be found in the Realme X1 Max. The Realme X1 Max has got the little bit kind of more vibrations. That's kind of really understandable because of the body which is made of plastic. So that is what causing a lot of vibrations in this Realme X1 Max device. So in case if you want to decrease the vibrations, there is another video which I uploaded. You can check that video friends. Just type in the YouTube Realme X1 Max vibrations decrease SciTech. You can find my videos as well all together, and I'm not going to waste this kind of Rise anyway, so I'll try to use the Rise same again and again, same Rise in every test. I'm not wasting this one anything. As a disclaimer, I'm trying to inform you. So this is a quick vibration test. Only in this way we'll be able to find out which phone has got what type of vibrations on the back side. So some people it may not be bothering, but some people definitely it will bother, irritating a lot for some users. So whenever you increase the volume above 70%, only then you will be experience this kind of vibrations on the back side of the Realme X1 Max device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, so I'll be able to help you out. So see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.